guys, this is Tani. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching my videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to be more productive and how you can apply these things in your life and get your work done on time without wasting any time. So the number one thing, you have to set your goals. Goal setting is it's a most important thing to go for anything. If you don't have goals in your life, then you have to sit for some hours, give yourself a time to think that what things you're gonna achieve in long term, or we can say short term. So set your goals for you. Number second, make a schedule for a day, what things you're gonna do in that day, in that particular day. Make a list of those things, make a list of those tasks, and then you have to mark things one by one when you achieve one task. Number third, you have to uninstall gaming apps which are there in your phone, because playing games will not take you anywhere. I was so addictive to two games, especially Candy Crush and Subway Surfers. I spent 3 to 4 hours in just playing games, and then soon I realized what I'm doing. Just these playing games will not take me anywhere, and so I just uninstalled all the games, all the useless apps which I was not using at all. So you can also do these things. Number 4, stop binge watching. What is binge watching? When we continuously watching videos for long and we don't even realize that we are watching it for so long, and it ultimately leads to waste our time and it doesn't add any value to our life, and this will hamper our productivity. So avoid binge watching as much as you can. And moving to next point, read books, because reading books will drastically increase your productivity. It will add some positivity in your life. Read good books which would help you to take you near to your goal, which will help you to achieve your goals. So read some really good books. And then wake up early, because this thing really matters. When you are waking up early on time, before 8, then you will be in a fresh mood to do things, right? Because if you wake up little late, 10 or 11 or after 11, you will feel more lazy and you won't feel like doing work, and this would hamper your productivity. And to wake up early, make sure you are sleeping on time, you are sleeping on time and you are having enough sleep of 7 or 8 hours. And then avoid multitasking. You should not do 2 or 3 tasks at a time just to show that I am able to achieve these tasks in a very less time. Because what would happen if you're trying to do 2 or 3 tasks at a time? So you will always be unfocused, and at the end what's gonna happen, none of the things get finished on time. So in this case, simply you can prioritize the work which has to be done first, and then finish that work and then only move to the next one. And last but not the least, your friends, your friend circle. You should always have good friends who always motivate you to do more, who always push you to do more. Because if your friends are not growing, if you're not doing something big in their life, so there are huge chances that you also gonna be like them. So choose your friends wisely. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you are following any other thing in your day-to-day life, so do share with me. I would love to know that. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye bye and take care.